Hello guys, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out trending topic on TikTok. TikTok is a very popular social media right now. If I going on Google, just going TikTok, then click on similar web traffic. You can see TikTok are 2.3 billions of people use every single month. This is very good chance to promote your business and promote yourself. So first of all, going to my video description, you will find a link here. Just going and click here, then you are redirect to this website. Then you need to log in here with your Gmail. So this is my dashboard. So just click on TikTok icon, then here are type you targeted keywords. So I want to type here photo. Just if you want to select your targeted country, so I want to select USA, United States. Then select your language here, just enter. So I'm waiting few seconds. Anyway, this is a very popular tool for keyword research you can use right now. It's absolutely free for join but not free. If you want to use this tool, you need to pay some money. So first of all, I want to show just photo here 2.7 millions of charge volume. This is very good chance for going viral. So you can see this is a trend option. Just click on here. So you can see I on click here trends, and then I find out a trending topic on TikTok. You can see X photo kit, X photography, photo dance, and photo gallery TikTok. So here is all keyword. This is a trending topic on TikTok right now. So scroll down, then all keyword I see this is a trending. So if you follow and use these 10 keywords for your TikTok video, then it will get viral, I guarantee you. So if I going to on similar web, you can see this is 1.1 millions of people use this keyword research tool every single month for business and personal purposes. So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. Then if you have found this video helpful for you and for your businesses, make sure you have to subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell for the next video. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.